Good morning, guys. God dear, it is early. I apologise for how tired I look in the face right now. So it might be a bit noisy because we've got the lock. This is Newark lock in Surrey, which is just next to us right here. But what we're out here to do today, this morning, it is very early. It's 4:45 in the morning. The sun's due to rise in about 10 minutes. And I'm here to use the drone. So my plan is I want to try to get a photo at sunrise of Newark Priory, which you guys might be able to see. It's over here. We'll see in a minute because we'll turn the camera slightly. It's like an old ruined priory here in Surrey, not too far from my house. So luckily didn't have to get up at 3 something this morning. Managed to scrape the alarm in just after 4 to get here now. And we're going to be using the drone. We're going to set up the drone. I've got the DJI Mavic Air, which we're going to send up. I thought it was something a little bit different for you guys. I thought it would be interesting for you to see. Not sports, because I'm still not shooting any sports just now, although I did manage to get in a basketball practice session just the other day, which was awesome to see. Yeah, so like I said, I apologise for it being noisy, but hopefully you guys can hear me okay. So I think it's going to be cool. If you guys are interested in seeing something a little bit different, a little bit of landscape stuff, some drone stuff, then please take a second, hit that like button for me, because it shows me that it is okay for you guys to see something other than sports and that you're not going to get mad at me. If you're new to the channel, maybe you might come over here because you found I'm doing something with the drone as opposed to sports. Make sure you subscribe. Going to do lots of other stuff like this on my channel as well, so it won't just be sports. Going to do some drone stuff, landscape stuff, a whole host of things, because it's important to get a little bit of everything that I love photography wise, I think. So right now I need to set up the drone, gonna get it ready to fly, gonna head over to the Priory. It's not far from here, it's probably literally a couple of 100 meters over that way, and see what we can get. The sun looks like it's coming up pretty nicely right now. There's some clouds in the sky, which is great because it should make it a bit more textured rather than just a plain sky. Yeah, let's get this drone set up. Okay guys, I think we're ready to go. Sun looks like it's just gonna start getting nice in the clouds very shortly. So let's take off and let's see what we can get. Let's go. So got it up there now. I can actually see I've got some real nice light on the actual Priory itself now. So rather than just trying to get the photos kind of the sunset, I'm hoping that I can try and get a couple of nice ones with the light looking really cool on the side. Seems to be working all right. Like I said, I'm doing a bit of video footage, you guys are better see some of this as well. Chances are I've probably got it on the screen right now so you can see it rather than just my ugly mug. Okay, so just realised now, where the sun has come up over the horizon, you can see it on my face now, it's created some really awesome like shadows from the Priory across the field next to it, so going to try and get something cool of that right now as well. Okay guys, so the battery's getting a bit low, so we're down to like 18%, and don't be alarmed to say 18%, it's only like just here, it's not too far away, but bring it back in anyway. Going to make sure we come in, don't want to ever risk like, I'd never really try and fly with less than like 15% battery, and even that would be when it's like right nearby me. I would never be far away on that low battery. So you're just coming back in now, it's like 60 meters away. We'll bring it in. Okay, got it back in safely, which is, those of you guys who fly drones, you know, it's always that moment of like, when you get it back and it's landed on the ground in front of you, there's that moment of like, whew, you know, made it. So we're doing okay, we've got some decent photos. So what I've tried to do, to give you an idea, I tried to record a bit of video when I was out there so you could roughly see, but I've tried to do some multiple exposures so that I get you know, the exposure for both the sky and also the Priory itself, and I'm probably then going to try and stack those afterwards in Lightroom. So we'll see how it goes. I think I've hopefully done alright with them. It's always tricky because especially when you're looking on the phone screen, you're never entirely sure, I find, with the drone until you get it back in Lightroom. The good news is normally when you get it back in Lightroom, they look a little bit better than you thought they would, because the quality when you're looking on your phone screen is never going to be the best. Time, I was going to check my phone, the time is on my phone down there on the controller, but it's probably like just after 5, 10 past 5, quarter past 5. The sun is over the horizon, but it's still like getting loads of colour in the sky, which is cool, so it's not fully up just yet. The sky's kind of going kind of cool now, so I'm actually tempted to take this camera just slightly further down the river here and see if I can get a nice landscape shot. Yeah, I'm going to go do that. Might as well take you guys with me. Let's go down there. Hey guys, so I apologise if the quality or the sound has reduced, because we're now filming this on my phone because I'm using my camera. Where is it? Here it is, to get this shot. I'm just thinking about whether or not I can get something of the actual Priory itself. The trouble is, you can see like it's kind of got this big hedgerow in front of it, so it's quite hard to get a shot of. But I might be able to, oh, there's a bit of a gap further down which I might be able to get something through. Yeah, let's have a, why not? Since we're here, let's have a play and see if we can get a photo of the Priory. Let's give it a go. Okay, so I'm trying something a bit different with this in the end. Rather than trying to get it like over this hedgerow here, although actually, God, looking at that here, that looks like a good composition. But what I'm trying to do instead is I've come down here and I am trying to get a shot through looking, let me show you, I'll turn the camera around. See what I'm trying to do. I've tried to kind of almost frame it a little bit in these trees and over this hedgerow. It means I don't have the steeple part, but at least it looks kind of cool. So let's see how it comes out. So I'm actually just trying one more thing. Got a bit of blinding sun in my eye right now. So I've had to get the get the camera up on the tripod and extend it right up to try to get this shot. But you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to get that kind of framing through the trees, try and get a nice shot. Gonna try some multiple exposures to see if I can get like the nice sun on the grass as well as get a bit of the sky in the image as well, but we'll see how it goes. Right, I'm gonna take this photo, I'm gonna pack up and gonna head back to the car. Oh, okay guys, back in the car. I think that pretty much rounds off the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's something a little bit different, a little bit of drone stuff, a little bit of landscape stuff. It was a cool morning. It is now 6 AM and I think I need to go back to bed for an hour because I'm going to be absolutely knackered. I didn't go to bed like early to get up at 4. I probably went to bed at midnight. So set for sort of 4 hours. So I'm going to go back, have a bit of a sleep for an hour before little Sambles wakes me up. He's probably awake already, but hey, what can you do? If you guys are interested in seeing some more of the shots that I took this morning, most of those will be up on my Instagram page. That's going to be the @RobSambles Instagram page. That's where most of my landscape stuff goes, so make sure you go check that one out. If you did enjoy the video, if you are impressed with me getting up at 4 AM, then make sure you hit that like button. I appreciate it. It helps my channel out loads. Thank you very much for doing it. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. Loads of other videos coming on my channel. Sports photography, regular photography, videography, action cameras, a bit of everything. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Oh, I don't know how all of you YouTube landscape guys do this all the time, running back and forth to get your camera.